we look at the rice in the United States, this has probably been one of the, it's been a lower year, but it put things in perspective. 2 years ago, the acreage this year compared to 2 years ago is estimated to be within about 100,000 acres. So relatively speaking, it's not a particularly low year. Compared to last year, depending on whose statistics you use, it's down 500,000 or more acres. Most of that's and some people say 700,000. Most of that drop has occurred in Arkansas due to the floods, and some in Missouri, a little bit here and there. Our acreage is down, depending on, again, whose statistics you use. Our statistics suggest about 17%. That's largely due to suppressed market prices. There is some indication that the global stores, what you might call carryover stocks of rice internationally by different countries, are beginning to settle out. If the U.S. production truly is 500 to 700,000 acres down, we should see a rebound in U.S. prices soon. We haven't heard the concerns that we did in the last few years in terms of the massive problems with kernel smut. I haven't heard serious problems with insects, so that's good. We always have problems of a spotty nature. In some cases, they're very severe. I queried all of our scientists, do we have serious disease problems this year? Nobody sent anything back saying we do. The pathology team said, no, nothing earth-shaking this year. So that's good news. We have some phenomenal growers in Texas